fuck this quiet ass, bitch ass, pussy ass, hoe ass exhaust. Cause shook my cock. We are ready. We are ready to make some, bro. Look at this bitch. It's thick as hell. Whenever y'all are going under the car, God, bro. Where people at work are some fucking idiots, bro. They park like shit. Anyway, make sure you put your tires under your fucking whip, because last thing you want is your low ass car and you pancake. Now I have my WD-40. I'm not gonna show a how-to of an install, of an exhaust, because if you can't do it, you fucking dumb as fuck. No, but I hope this shit goes smoothly, because bro, this shit's gonna sing. Just like that. Got that muffler out. If you're in Central Florida, come buy this OEM exhaust. I still gotta take out the other pipe, but I got that hoe out. Bro, that bitch was rusted. Bro, I thought since we were living in Florida, I was like, I don't gotta deal with rust. Bro, that shit was rusted the fuck out. I had to get the breaker bar. Bro, I had to use my strength. Yeah, now I just gotta take out the other mid pipe and we golden. Put on this hoe. Bro, I low-key feel like putting on this is gonna be harder, because this is 3 pipes and this is just 2 pipes. So it should be real easy. All right, let me get back to it, bitch. And just like that, we're fucking done. Yeah, boy. So fucking loud. I went ahead and I checked for leaks. We're all Gucci. Now remember, we are in an enclosed space, so it's not gonna be as real as it would be in the real world, but I'm gonna try to set somewhere up where y'all can hear it. Perfect. All right. Fucking boxing boy. Yeah, go on. All right. Hey, go on.